Good morning. I get a lot of questions about my process when it comes to shaving and how to help reduce skin irritation. One thing to understand is there's multiple regions of your face. Region, 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 and another region. So about 7 regions on your face. Facial hair grows in different directions. So if you want the closest shave, you'll have to shave with, across, and against the stubble growth. Well, what's stubble? This is facial hair. It's going to be long, it's going to be soft, and you don't cut it with a razor. This is beard stubble. It is hard, dense, coarse, and thick. So something that helped me a long time ago was understanding that if I took a hot shower, it's going to soften this up, which reduces the tugging on the hair, allows me to cut. Less tugging means less skin irritation. Now, time to go get a shower. All right, shower is done. Pores are open. The stubble is now softer. It's going to cut a lot easier versus tugging. Even though I just got a shower and the stubble's softer, I recommend a pre-shave gel. This is going to add to the layer that's going to reduce the blade friction, which should allow you a closer shave with less skin irritation. So whether you're using a shave gel like this in a can or you're using a shave cream like this Cella, make sure that water's involved. Wet your face for a gel like this. For wet shaving, soak your brush. If you wet shave, the biggest thing you can do to help out is soak the brush. 30 to 60 seconds, hot water, versus just trying to run it under the tap. This is Italian-made Cella almond scented shave cream. Oh man. A lot of the wet shaving cream soaps, they are all natural ingredients and have amazing scent profiles. Today's shave, I'll be using my Parker Safety Razor 78R double-edged safety razor. This is a great razor for about $26. You replace the blade about every 3 to 5 shaves. Now, the brush is loaded. It's time to aerate it. This is going to create more of that lather. A shave brush like this is going to exfoliate your skin, massage your skin, and prep it for a closer, better shave. I also like how it's going to keep my hands cleaner. Before we start shaving, shave however you're most comfortable. In some of my comments, I talk about tightening the skin. For the neck, I tilt my head and pull right here. When I shave up here, I pull like this. The flatter you can make the skin, the better the shave you're gonna have, the less skin irritation you're gonna have, and you'll be less likely to nick your skin. For those of you just starting to shave, do small strokes. Always pick the razor up and use light pressure. Wet shaving with a shave cream or soap helps create a protective barrier which pulls the razor in to give you a closer shave. It reduces the friction from the blade so that you're not tugging at the hairs, and that helps reduce skin irritation. So I've shaved with the stubble growth. How do you check and see, do you need to shave the other directions? Rub your finger and see if you feel any stubble. If shaving against the stubble gives you razor bumps or massive skin irritation, I don't recommend you do it. For those that had the questions about the chin, how do you get it? Especially if you have like a big divot. Sometimes you can pull the skin to tighten it. Now to check across. So now pretty much the shave is done. Every razor has an exposed blade. You can nick yourself, whether you have an imperfection on your skin, whether you have a bumpy chin like me, or you push too hard. This is an alum block. It's an antiseptic block that when wet and rubbed on your face is going to soothe your skin and help heal those little nicks. Dry your comically large mustache. Too much. Does not hurt. Alum. Marshmallow. The Parker 78R double-edged safety razor with hair guides graphite. This is about $26 at Walmart. That's it. Filming's done. Get out of here.